Hi class, it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, let's have another example on how to find the values of random variables. Without further ado, let's start answering the given problem. Example number 2. Two balls are drawn in succession without replacement. Take note class, without replacement. Okay? From a jar containing 5 red balls and 6 blue balls. Let x be the random variable representing the number of blue balls. So, number of blue balls, hanapin natin. Find the values of the random variable x. So, class, in other book, pwedeng maiba yung variable na ginamit. Let's say A, B, C, or and so on and so forth. Okay, so pwede rin yun. Pero, most common kasi ginagamit yung variable x. Okay? So now, as we analyze the given problem, okay, so sa isang jar, ito ay naglalaman ng 5 red balls and 6 blue balls. And we let x be the random variable representing the number of blue balls. So, ang ibig sabihin, hanapin natin yung value ng random variable x, which is yung number of blue balls nga. Okay? So, meron tayo ditong illustration. So, meron tayo ditong jar. And it contains 5 red balls and then 6 blue balls. So, without replacement, so, i-list down natin yung mga possible outcomes, no? Okay, so sulat ko muna class. So, we have possible outcomes. Sa previous video natin class, in-explain natin yung ano yung ibig sabihin ng sample space or possible outcomes. Okay. And then, syempre, number of blue balls. Okay, kasi yun yung hinahanap natin. So, we have number of blue balls. Okay, did you get the idea? Okay, good. So, sa possible outcomes natin, without replacement, so pwedeng makukuha natin ay dalawang red, right? Okay, kasi sabi dyan, 2 balls are drawn. Okay. So, pwedeng dalawang red. No? Okay. And then, what else? Of course, pwedeng red and blue. Another, pwedeng blue and red. And then, pwedeng blue, right? Okay. So, dito, yung number of blue balls natin, representing natin yon, the number of blue balls, which is the variable x, or capital X. So, bibilangin lang natin. So, yung number of blue balls dito sa una, of course, dalawang red, so 0 siya. Okay? And then, red-blue, so we have 1. And then, blue-red, we also have 1. And then, of course, panghuli, so we have 2 number of blue balls. Okay? So, dito, yung mga value ng x natin ay 0, 1, 2. Okay? So, yung sample space natin dito, class. Okay, so may tinatawag tayong sample space. Again, kapag sinabing sample space, ito ay very good. The possible outcomes in an experiment. Yan, sample space. So, ito ay S. Yan. So, i-list down lang natin to class. So, we have red. And then, red-blue. And then, we have blue-red. And last, we have blue-blue. Okay. So, guys, so, we can say that yung ating number of blue balls or tinatawag nating random variable xi, so capital X is equal to 0, 1, 2. So, ganun lang kasimple at kadali. Okay? So, kung meron kayo natutunan sa video ito, kindly like and share. Thank you for watching.